Here we go, guys. Let's see how he did. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what you're looking for. I heard a good ooh over there.
Yeah.
That is exactly what we're looking for, guys. Seared ahi tuna, guys. Let's get involved. Yeah! What's up, guys? Welcome to BBQ Jam'd. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg. We've got a killer show lined up for you guys tonight. We've got a new player coming in on some saxophone. Matt Horhota is going to be killing it. Can't wait to hear this guy slay it. Also, we have Zaragoza and Brett Norton tearing it up on guitars. And we've got Ryan Cobb on the bass. He's going to be slapping it, going to be killing it. Anyway, tonight, what are we cooking? I don't know, guys. I'm thinking about doing some ahi tuna steaks. I think they're going to be insane. I'm going to do a nice little sear on them, on the green egg, and a nice cast iron pan. You guys are going to follow along. You're going to love it. I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Happy Halloween. And we're getting in the spirit around here, so I hope you guys are too. We're going to catch you back here in a minute. Peace. Alright, guys, we've got some amazing tuna here that we just got today from Safe Harbor out here in Jacksonville, Florida. Killer place. You guys gotta go check it out. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with these tuna and we're gonna put some soy sauce on them, kind of marinate them for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna be putting on some crust. So we're gonna be doing a everything but the bagel seasoning. So here we go. And these tuna steaks look insane. These were fresh cut today. Just look at that. Look how beautiful that tuna is. Throw a little soy on here. And we're gonna let this set up for about 10 minutes. Oh my God. Look how amazing this looks. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys staying tuned on this channel and checking it out and liking and subscribing. We love it. It just absolutely helps out our channel so much. And I hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're having a ball over here, guys. Y'all gonna get involved, all right? Look at the size of this monster, dude. Good Lord. So guys, we're gonna let this set up for about 10 minutes in the refrigerator and we're gonna give it right back and go ahead and put on our everything but the bagel seasoning. So here we go. All right, guys, everything but the bagel. I'm gonna throw the crunch on. Here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna get the rest of these seasoned up and we're gonna be popping them on the skillet here in just a minute. So you guys hang tight. Enjoy these jams. Please like and subscribe as always, guys. Come on. A little bit of avocado oil. We're looking for about 45 seconds on each side, just enough to get a nice sear on both sides, and you want it nice and pink in the middle. So here we go. Release the cut. Here we go, guys. Let's see how he did. Oh yeah. That's exactly what you're looking for. I heard a good ooh over there. Yeah. That is exactly what we're looking for, guys. Beautiful. Wow. All right, we're gonna have some nice garnish here with a little chive. And I really like this Japanese barbecue sauce. You guys gotta give this a shot if you haven't tried it before. This goes really well with all sorts of different applications, but give it a nice little drizzle on top. You could use some soy sauce to dip in if you like, but we're ready to eat, guys. All right, guys, we're in the moment of truth. We're gonna find my first victim. So, Brett Norton, without further ado, come on in, bro.
What's up, buddy?
Dude, thanks so much for coming in tonight.
Thanks for having me again.
Oh man, I always have you, man. You're always like killing it and slaying it, and you always enjoy my food. So,
hell yeah.
Yeah, that's a big bonus to me. Anyway, dude, we're gonna get involved with some of this ahi tuna. You ready?
Absolutely.
All right, cool. Well, grab a slice. I'm gonna go in with you. So
right.
just get
I'm gonna
something
start
and
right
go.
here.
Nice. Cheers, sir.
Cheers, mate.
Yee-hoo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Damn. That's absolutely fantastic.
Beautiful.
That was everything, nothing but the bagel.
Nothing but the bagel.
Is that what it's called?
Everything but the bagel.
Everything but the bagel.
Everything but the bagel. That worked out perfect. Man.
That's really good. It's got a good crunch on there.
Yeah.
Some garlicky kind
Nice
of
little
vibe
sear.
to it.
Oh,
really,
man.
really good.
Man, I tell you, this is dynamite. You guys gotta try it out. It's a very easy, simple cook. It's a quick flash in the pan. Get it on both sides. Get involved, guys. I'm gonna get a couple more victims over here that are not so much sushi friendly, or at least they haven't gotten involved too much with the sushi. But we're gonna see how you guys like it. So
You're gonna love it. It's killer.
yeah, dude, awesome. Thanks, brother. All right, here's the next one up.
right,
We got Matt, dude. What's up, Matt?
How you doing,
We got a
man?
new player here tonight.
Yeah, let's see what's going on.
Yeah, man. You ready to give it a shot? See what happens?
Yeah, this looks great.
Yeah, man. Absolutely. He's going to be hooking up some saxophone for us tonight. So
Yeah,
anyway,
it'll
let's
be
see if we can
sweet.
get you all hooked up. Dude.
Sweet.
Come on. Grab a slice. See what you think. I'm going to grab a slice with you, too.
Do a little bit of soy
Do a little
sauce.
soy. You know, I think I'm going to do that, too. Boom. Cheers,
Cheers,
sir.
man.
Get it down.
Oh, that's phenomenal.
That's pretty.
Nice. You weren't expecting that, right?
You'll like it. There's not too much of a seafood taste to it.
Ryan Cobb is like, I don't know, guys. I'm not making a sushi, so we're going to see what happens. Speaking of Ryan Cobb, come on in, dude. What's
Come
up,
on
dude?
around. Good to see you, man.
Bro.
Thanks for having me back.
Oh, man. Oh, come on, man.
Always a treat.
Always a pleasure, sir. Well, I'm just going in every time everybody's coming over here, so without further ado, go for it, brother.
All right,
Just
man.
grab a
Moment of
slice and
truth.
see what you think.
That's really good.
All right. I was worried. I got the
won me
trash can
over.
right here just in case.
No, I don't need
You're
it.
all
We're good.
Awesome.
Appreciate it, Will.
Yeah, brother, absolutely, man. We're having some great jams and great times up here as always, guys. And I think I got Cooper. Cooper wants to come on and get involved, dude.
Oh, snap.
What you think about that?
I love tuna.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Come on, man.
I love some food.
Come on now.
I'm going to be different from everybody else and go for the big.
Go,
Oh
go.
yeah, the middle slice.
Yeah, go for it, man. Right on time, right? Dude, Coop,
I'm going to get one for the road.
we've got plenty also. I got a whole lot I'm gonna be cooking up, so you guys are gonna be plenty full off this tuna tonight. Guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this channel and enjoying everything we got over here. We got James Sauce, and we got to find out if this is wonderful or not. Okay. So let's see what happens. What's up, James Sauce?
All right.
You ready to get involved with some tuna?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, well, go ahead for it, man. Grab a slice.
All right. Oh, let me have one of these.
Oh man, look
Beautiful,
at that.
beautiful.
Woo!
Now, what? Oh, this is soy sauce. Is
Yeah,
that
that's just soy sauce, and I've got some. I've actually got some. I put some of this barbecue sauce on here already. But
You're good.
yeah,
You're good.
give it a shot.
All right. I don't want to mess with it. It's good the way it is.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh God. I've never had tuna taste like that before.
Isn't that good?
Starcast and Bumblebee, but this is incredible, man. Wonderful.
All right, we got a wonderful. Ding, 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 ding. I need a cowbell or something out here when he does that. Anyway, guys, get involved with some of this tuna. It's killer. You guys, we're having a blast up here as always. So anyway, you guys keep checking out these jams. We're gonna be right back. You ready to get involved with some tuna? Oh yeah, oh we're live. We're running.
we're live.
What's up, guys? All kinds of sushi. This guy's into.
What's up? How are you?
Hey, dude, are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Hey, thanks for coming in tonight for Steve Wheeler. Steve Wheeler's been feeling very good tonight, so Arthur stepped up, soaking it up, bro. Come on. Yeah. Well, I hope you brought your appetite. We've got a ton of tuna I'm going to be cooking up, but dude, grab a slice of that. See what you think.
All right.
I'll go in with you.
All right.
I put some of this Japanese barbecue sauce already on there. I got some soy sauce right there. Give it a shot, grab a slice, and see what you think.
All right, man.
Cheers, sir.
Cheers.
Woohoo! Oh man,
Wow. What a flavor.
dynamite, right?
Boom.
Dude, that's, oh yeah, gotta explode at the end.
Very good. Very good. Recommend it. Wow.
Nice, nice, nice.
Thanks,
Dude.
man.
Yeah, brother, thanks so much for coming out, man. Seriously.
What kind of tuna is this, man?
This is Ahi Tuna. I got it from the Safe Harbor out here in Mayport.
Nice.
And dude, they've got a killer seafood market over there. If you guys are interested here in Jacksonville, go check out Safe Harbor out in Mayport. Killer stuff. What's up, guys? Hey, look, we've got Matt over here. Matt, and your last name one more time?
Horhota.
Horhota. Dude, thanks so much for hanging, brother. And I got you some swag over here, buddy. We got you a hat.
Love this.
Yeah, man. And we got you a BBQ Jam'd shirt.
Very nice.
Very good.
Nice. I love it.
Congratulations, you've been BBQ Jam'd.
Thanks, dude. Can't wait to jam.
Yeah, we're having a good time over here, people. You guys stay tuned.
Sweet.
All right, what's up, guys? Thanks so much for hanging with BBQ Jam'd tonight. We've had a great time. Jams are killing it. The Ahi Tuna turned out amazing. Please give this a shot. You guys are gonna love it. Guys, please like and subscribe. That's all I can ask. It's always a good time. Derek Enter, thanks so much for the swag as always, buddy. And we're gonna catch you guys next time. So, peace. What's up? That's it, baby. Come on, come on. We're gonna rake it all the way around tonight. Come on, yeah. What's up?